Over millions of years, our planet has sculpted some truly extraordinary landscapes, places that seem to defy logic and ignite the imagination. Ready to explore places that defy logic and look like they belong on another planet? In this epic travel adventure, we take you to mind-blowing destinations that are so surreal they feel like scenes from a sci-fi movie. From ancient forests, sculpted by nature's patient hand, to shimmering deserts that stretch beyond the horizon, we'll journey to some of the most awe-inspiring corners of the globe. Deep in the heart of India, in the rain-soaked state of Meghalaya, lies a testament to the incredible partnership between humanity and the natural world. Here, the ancient war Khasi people have woven living bridges from the aerial roots of the Ficus elastica tree. Over centuries, they've patiently guided these roots across rivers and ravines, creating a network of living walkways that blend seamlessly with the jungle. Imagine traversing these tangled pathways, the air thick with humidity, sunlight dappling through the dense canopy above. Some of these root bridges are over 500 years old. Their strength and resilience are testament to the ingenuity of the war Khasi and the remarkable adaptability of nature. These are not bridges built in the conventional sense, but rather they are grown, coaxed into being by human hands over generations. The result is a surreal landscape where nature and human ingenuity intertwine. The living root bridges of Meghalaya stand as a powerful reminder that the most remarkable journeys often lead us to the most unexpected destinations. When we think of deserts, images of scorching sands and towering dunes often come to mind. But in the westernmost reaches of India, there exists a desert unlike any other. The Rann of Kutch, a vast salt marsh, appears as an endless white expanse stretching towards the horizon, a blank canvas upon which the elements paint their ephemeral masterpieces. During the monsoon season, this seemingly barren landscape transforms into a shallow sea, shimmering under the Indian sun. As the waters recede, they leave behind a crust of salt so pure and reflective that it creates the illusion of walking upon the sky itself. Here, silence reigns supreme. Broken only by the whisper of the wind across the salt flats, it's a place of stark beauty where the absence of color amplifies the immensity of the landscape. The Rann of Kutch is a powerful reminder that beauty can be found even in the most unexpected and desolate of places. High in the mountainous northeast corner of India, in the state of Manipur, lies a lake unlike any other. Loktak Lake, the largest freshwater lake in northeast India, isn't just a body of water, it's a living, breathing ecosystem, home to a phenomenon that seems straight out of a fantasy novel. Floating islands known as fumdis. Imagine looking out over a vast lake, its surface dotted with what appear to be miniature islands, some so large they support entire villages. These fumdis, formed from a thick tangle of vegetation, soil and organic matter, drift across the lake's surface, driven by the wind and the currents. They are a haven for a unique array of flora and fauna, including the endangered Sangai deer, a species found nowhere else on Earth. Life on the fumdas is intimately connected to the rhythms of the lake. Fishermen in their dugout canoes cast their nets amidst the floating islands, their movements a delicate dance between land and water. The fumdis of Loktak Lake offer a glimpse into a world where the line between land and water is blurred, a testament to nature's boundless capacity for adaptation and the delicate balance of life in this unique ecosystem. High in the Himalayas, nestled among the rugged peaks of Ladakh, lies a stretch of road that seems to defy the laws of physics. Known as Magnetic Hill, this seemingly ordinary slope possesses an unusual characteristic. Vehicles left out of gear appear to roll uphill. The effect is so convincing that local legend attributes it to a magnetic force pulling cars upwards. However, the true explanation, while less fantastical, is no less intriguing. It's a powerful optical illusion created by the surrounding landscape. The sloping terrain and the shape of the surrounding hills create a visual discrepancy, tricking the eye into perceiving a downward slope as an upward incline. Even knowing the science behind it, the illusion remains compelling. It's a stark reminder that our perception of the world can be easily misled, and that even in the face of seemingly impossible phenomena, there's often a fascinating scientific explanation waiting to be uncovered. Few places on earth evoke a sense of serenity and spiritual grandeur, quite like the Tawang Monastery in the Indian state of Arunachal Pradesh. Perched atop a ridge nearly 10,000 feet above sea level, this imposing structure seems to touch the heavens. Imagine approaching the monastery, the air thin and crisp, prayer flags fluttering in the wind. As you ascend the winding mountain road, the full majesty of the monastery is gradually revealed. Its whitewashed walls, adorned with vibrant murals and intricate carvings, stand in stark contrast to the rugged, snow-capped peaks that form its backdrop. Founded in 1680, Tawang Monastery is the largest Buddhist monastery in India and a center of Tibetan Buddhist learning. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by the scent of incense and the soft chanting of monks. The monastery's interior is a treasure trove of religious artifacts, ancient scriptures, and intricate murals depicting scenes from the life of Buddha. Tawang Monastery is more than just a place of worship. It's a living testament to the enduring power of faith and a beacon of peace and tranquility in a world often riven by strife. High in the Himalayas, nestled amidst towering peaks and pristine glaciers, lies a hidden valley that explodes into a riot of color each summer. Welcome to the Valley of Flowers National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that seems like a scene straight out of a fairy tale. Imagine a carpet of wildflowers stretching as far as the eye can see, their vibrant hues painting the valley floor in a kaleidoscope of colors. From the delicate blooms of the Brahma Kamal, which only opens its petals at night, to the vibrant blue poppies that dot the landscape, the valley is a botanist's paradise. This explosion of life is all the more remarkable given the valley's remote location and harsh climate. For much of the year, the valley is buried under a thick blanket of snow, but as the snow melts with the arrival of spring, the valley awakens, transforming into a vibrant tapestry of life. The Valley of Flowers is a powerful reminder of nature's resilience and its ability to create beauty in the most unexpected of places. Millions of years ago, a cataclysmic event occurred in what is now the Indian state of Maharashtra. A meteor hurtling through space collided with Earth, leaving behind a scar on the landscape that is both beautiful and awe-inspiring. That scar is Lonar Crater Lake, a unique geological formation and a testament to the immense power of nature. Imagine a perfectly circular lake, its emerald green waters ringed by a thick forest. The lake, formed in the basin of the impact crater, is both saline and alkaline, a unique combination that supports a diverse ecosystem. The crater walls, rising sharply from the surrounding plains, offer breathtaking views of the lake and the surrounding landscape. Over time, the crater has transformed into an oasis of life. Lush vegetation clings to its slopes, providing a haven for a variety of birds and animals. Temples now in ruins stand as silent witnesses to the crater's long history, hinting at its spiritual significance to the local people. Lonar Crater Lake is a place where science and spirituality intersect, a reminder of our planet's tumultuous past and the enduring power of nature to heal and regenerate. In the far reaches of the Indian Himalayas, where the air is thin and the mountains scrape the sky, lies a land that seems to belong to another world. Welcome to Spiti Valley, a cold desert whose stark beauty and otherworldly landscapes have earned it the nickname Little Tibet. Imagine a land of barren mountains, their slopes etched with the passage of time, their peaks eternally capped with snow. The valley floor, a patchwork of browns and ochres, stretches out before you, punctuated by the occasional village of whitewashed houses clinging to the hillsides. Life in Spiti Valley is harsh but beautiful. The people, descendants of Tibetan traders and nomads, have adapted to the extreme conditions, their lives intertwined with the rhythms of nature. Monasteries, perched precariously on cliff tops, offer glimpses into the valley's rich Buddhist heritage. Spiti Valley is a place of stark contrasts, where snow-capped peaks tower over barren plains, where ancient traditions endure amidst a rapidly changing world. It's a journey to the edge of the map and a testament to the enduring spirit of both humanity and nature. From the surreal landscapes of India to the far corners of the globe, our planet is bursting with wonders waiting to be discovered. Each location will leave you wondering, is this even Earth? But these breathtaking destinations are more than just pretty pictures. They're testaments to the power of nature, the resilience of life, and the boundless capacity of human imagination. By venturing off the beaten path and opening ourselves to the unexpected, we gain a deeper appreciation for the beauty and diversity of our planet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring the hidden wonders of our world.